ओके बच्चे पार्टी, सो स्टैंडर्ड 7 आपका जो फर्स्ट लेसन है दैट इज कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, here we will be learning second part, that is to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Yesterday we have seen to construct a triangle when all the sides or the three sides of the triangle are given. Measures of three sides of the triangle are given. So here, what is the example given to you? You have to draw triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to 5.5. Can you see? This is the base. PQ 5.5 centimeter. Angle P, measure of angle P here is 50 degree, and then length PR. This is length PR is 5 centimeter. This is your 5 centimeter. So as usual, you will be drawing the rough figure first. Draw करो, उसके बाद we will be following steps. Okay, we will be following steps. So here, first step is to draw the base. Okay, base draw करना है. So to draw the base of length 5.5 centimeter. Draw the base of length 5.5 centimeter. So this is your PQ. So this is your base of length 5.5 centimeter. The next step is ray PG draw करना है using angle measure that is 50 degree. So you have to see first step में draw किया PQ, आपने PQ draw किया यहाँ पे, then आपको protractor रखना है and you have to draw the angle 55 का angle, sorry 50 degree का angle बनना है. Getting? So this is your angle GPQ. Getting? So this is your angle GPQ 90 degree. Next step is you have to open the compass to 5 centimeter. Compass गया कर्कटक गया. Okay, then 5 centimeter measure गया. Place the point. Okay, place the compass point at P. और ये जो arc, sorry, PG है ना तेरा bracket करायचा 5 centimeter arc करायचा. And then this point is your R. Okay, this point is your R. Then you have to join this QR. Getting? So in this way you can draw this triangle. Same way you can draw this triangle in the reverse manner. Let's see and solve question practice set 3. Mute your sound, bacha party. Good. So let's see here. Nidhi, do you want to ask something? नहीं ना? So question 1 बघायचे. हाँ. First we draw करना है rough figure. Question बघू. In triangle MAT, this is your rough figure. Triangle MAT. This is A, 80 degree. Angle A of 80 degree. Then MA. This is your MA किंवा 80 करायचे. एक सेकंड. हाँ. You can take 86 centimeter. And here M. This is your 5.2 centimeter. Getting 5.2 centimeter. Sure. So the first step is to draw the base. माझ्यासोबत to draw करा तर तुम्हाला बरोबर डायग्राम येईल. Draw करो base 80 of 6 centimeter length. ठीक है. This is your first step. Second, take a protractor. एक पे रखो. Then make the एंगल, एक एंगल निकालो, उसको नाम दो यहाँ पे MAT ना, तो P जाएगा P. सेकेंड, देन इसको 80 लिखो यहाँ पे 8080. Then next step is take your compass and using that compass take the measure of 5.2 centimeter ever theva and make an arc. Suppose this is your point, this point is your M. Then using scale or ruler directly join kara. So this is your fair figure and this measures 5.2 centimeter. माझे diagram व्यवस्थित येणार नाही because I do not have the instruments online. तुमच्याकडे ऑलरेडी सगळं आहे. Next question, question number 2. Here, NTS in triangle NTS. This is your rough figure. लक्षात घ्या. तुझ्या खाली लिहायचं असतं तुम्हाला. You have to write it is a rough figure. So angle T 48. तो T लक्षात घ्या. Angle इकडेच घ्यायचं तुम्हाला. So this angle 40 degree. Then what is given? NT and TS. This is your NT and this is your TS. दोन्ही तुमचे आहेत 5 cm. Okay, दोघांचा measure same आहे 5 cm. 5 cm. बस एकदा का rough figure मिळाली, then you are able to solve or you are able to do your fair figure. Now first step काय तुमचे बेस काढायचा आहे TN of 5 centimeter. Second step is तुम्हाला angle काढायचा आहे T वरून 40 degree चा. So here in this way you can draw angle. Then एक नाव द्या. Name it as something like S and TS. So it is P द्यायचा this point. Then take your compass and make an arc. Make an arc of 5 centimeter. So we say T वर ठेवा. This point will be your S. हा point तुमचा होणार S. आणि पट्टीने जोडून घ्यायचंय S and N. Okay, so this is your 5 centimeter TS. And this is your 40 degree. Question number 3. In triangle FUN, so it's a fun. FU is 5 centimeter, UN is 4.6 centimeter, and angle U is 110. Okay. So, आता इथे बघा a rough figure. See, तुमचा 110. Therefore, your angle would be an obtuse angle. 1, 1, 0 is your angle U. Plus angle U. Then FU is your 5 centimeter. See, after getting FU, you can also take N, and this is your N. NU NU is or UN is 4.6 centimeter. This figure is your rough figure. Okay, so fair figure start करूया आपण step by step. So first आपल्याला draw करायचं आहे UF. किती measure? That is of 5 centimeter. Then protractor here UF ठेवा and you have to make an obtuse angle 110 चा. समजतं? This point याला घ्या तुम्ही समजा नाव द्यायला P. Then next step तुम्हाला आहे you have to take the compass घ्यायची तुम्हाला and तुम्हाला पॉइंट घ्यायचा आहे एन दॅट इज अ डिस्टन्स 4.6 सो बघा इकडे हा युवर ठेवा 4.6 असा येईल समजा. सो दिस पॉइंट हा जो पॉइंट आहे ना दिस इज ऍक्च्युअली एन लक्षात ठेवा आणि देन मग तुम्हाला जोडायचं आहे यू हॅव टू जॉईन एन आणि एफ समजतं एन आणि एफ हा तुम्हाला जोडायचा. सो दिस वे यू विल गेट दी पेअर फिगर 1 1 0. This is your 4.6 centimeter. Okay, so the last figure you have to draw is here, fourth one. Triangle PRS. So R is 90 degree. आता तुम्हाला 90 degree दिला ना, therefore it is a right angle. Okay, it is a right angle. So the rough figure will be like this. This is your R. RS is 5.5 centimeter. And this is your P. And PR is 4.2. centimeter. Getting? So start करूया आपण फेअर फिगर कशी ड्रॉ करायची ती. बेस काढायचा आहे. बेस RS of length 5.5 centimeter. Then take a protractor 90 degrees angle काढा बरोबर इथे. Then this point will be your the point will be समजा A. Then R is 4.2, so make an R. So this is your P. और मुझे जोड़ायचा आहे. Okay. So this is your fair angle. रफ काढला ना तर तुम्हाला फेअर करायला बरं पडतं. डायरेक्टली आपण कन्फ्युज होतो तिथे.